Hi, my name is Daryl Penner. I'm with CWI Manufacturing. We're a family-owned business. I have 4 brothers that work with me and have for the last number of years. We manufacture both standard product and then also one-ofs. We cover both workstations, private offices, receptions, boardrooms, and other areas as well. Our wow factor likely is the quality of the product. There's people now that are still using desks we built 20 years ago. It brings us joy to see how our product is being used, people that value it, people that will make a compliment after they've had it for a year, 2 years, 5 years, or someone walking up to you and say, hey, remember that furniture you built us? We still use that. Also, the ability to do unique pieces based on a number of images that people send us saying, we like these ideas. Can you come up with something that will work for our corporate colors, our corporate style, and so on? The fun is in the unique products, but we must have the standard products as well to justify our business. So repeatability is a big part of our business, but also the ability to be creative and do interesting things, which for me is always more fun. Quite often a custom piece of furniture, once we show it, other business is developed from it, both from the design of it and just ideas and people seeing the piece and adds to their creativity and what they might like to see. We use as many of our local suppliers supporting us as possible because we too are a local business and we welcome anybody to come out and see what we can offer them. I'm very proud of our team. We're working with product before anything has been cut. Everything's on screen. Then going into the shop sometimes after a project has been designed and seeing the actual product and seeing the staff work on it, and they take their pride on how it's coming together. And it's obvious at that point how the whole team comes together for the end result, which is pretty exciting actually.